Hey, we just came back from London, so you can expect some new vlogs in the near future. But I just came up with the idea to post our return flight, both the takeoff from London Stansted Airport and the landing in Łódź, Poland. We will be climbing quite fast on board this Boeing 737-8AS, eventually soaring way above the clouds, which creates an amazing 3D effect. The landing sequence will start right around the middle of this video. We'll be flying low over the city in the beautiful rays of the sunset right until we touch down in Poland. Make sure to hold on because the braking is quite intense since the runway at this airport is relatively short. Enjoy and let me know in the comments if it feels like you were actually there, sitting right by the window. See you soon.
We'd like to remind you that this is strictly not smoking and vaping flight, and that all toilets are equipped with smoke detectors. We have one toilet at the front and two at the back. At the back we have a baby changing facility. We'll shortly commence our in-flight service, starting with the hot food pre-orders, while one will have the drinks and snack service. But we'll advise us to sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight with us. Thank you.